I didn't want dentures because you have problems with those. You know, you gain weight, they're too small, or if you lose weight, they kind of click on you, and I didn't want that. I wanted permanent teeth. I had to go to the dentist like every 3 months, and I would always get a cavity, and then went to a different dentist and found out I had peritonitis. The dentist recommended EON Clinics, and I said, let's go for it. I'm a registered nurse, and I know a lot of patients that have dentures and how they don't like it. I even had a partial, and my goodness, when I was out in public at a party, I was eating and it slipped out. Do we need that in our life? It's like you're in a different world. You come in here and everybody is so friendly. They're smiling at you, they ask if you need anything, they make you feel very comfortable. One gentleman came into our condo and says, boy, your wife smiles a lot, and her teeth twinkle. You know? If I had to have surgery, I'd have it here. That's how I feel. I really like the people here.